Hello everyone, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. This is another episode of Power BI Daily Life Challenges, and in today's video I'm going to tell you a very cool trick. So most of you, whenever you worked on Power BI, one way or another you have encountered this kind of problem. Like you can see over here this chart which is in the middle of this screen. Over here, the last bar over here is not appearing with any of label over here. Like you can see, first three bars are appearing for the label, but last one is not appearing. It's quite tricky that, oh, what's happening over here? Why it's not appearing? But I'll provide you a solution, and this is the part where we love to have fun with it. So what you have to do, you have to just select this one, go to your format pane. Over here, you will come over here and under the axis, always select this type. Right now you can see over here the type is continuous. However, once you will click on this and change it to categorical, you will see it's being corrected. That's how you can make it visible. That is, whenever even you are using line chart or any other kind of visualization in Power BI, and you are seeing there some of the labels are missing. That can be your data label or that can be your axis labels. So always make sure you have choose the correct type of axis over there. In this case, we have just selected this categorical, and now we can see that all the labels are appearing on the x-axis perfectly. I hope you like today's video. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all the Power BI latest updates and videos. See you in the next video.